Well, I've been making some videos. I got a new camera, a GoPro, and I can't figure out how to take the video off the camera, so or upload it or anything. I don't know how to use it. But I made a video of taking this apart, taking it to the machine shop to get it acid wash, I think they call it. He said he put it in a vat. And I think I took the entire engine except for the heads. And you got I don't know, I'm sure they put this in the vat, but it looked like they sandblasted it too. So I didn't pay it for. I got some stuff ready to put together. Then I'm going to paint all of the. I'm going to paint all of the valve covers, the front plate and the back plate. I also been stuck on the wire, and I've been trying to put the. If I knew what I was doing, I'd have been done already. I got some of the wires out. This is the wire. Oh, this is the wire that supposed to go in the engine bay. I got this stuck out, or pulled out. Or this is the Terminator X Max wire. I also got, I think I showed this already. This is the wire for to make the AC work with the Terminator X Max. It's the rest of the Terminator wiring over there. I haven't terminated anything. I've just been trying to run them where they go. But I don't really know any single wire, so that took a long time to get where I'm at, but I'm still about 5% into it. And I got stuck trying to figure this out. This is the ignition switch. And I couldn't figure which wire. Well, I know which wires goes to this, but I don't know which one of these prongs it goes on to. All I could have done is go by the colors. So I pulled the old harness. Glad I didn't throw it away yet. And I see what colors go there. Or I don't know the difference between. I think it's ignition switch or accessory or whatever. I'm still working on trying to figure that out. I have this wire harness from Speedway Motors, 22 circuit. I was able to change this one. I forget. I couldn't tell you what it's called, but I know this was I had to take all these wires out of the old one and put them into this one, because the one that was on here wasn't clicking with the new one. And I figured this is the dimmer switch. I know what wire goes to that one. And I'm still waiting on some parts to come in so I can start putting the engine together. I did that I built a couple of LS engines before. So I think I can do that again. But the wiring, not so much. And these are some of the wires that goes. I think this one, yeah. Got this is my crank back there. I had it repolished. These are the heads. I think I gotta get those back wash also. Acid wash. That's about where I'm at. I want to get the wires running so I can put the carpet in, then do the rest of the wires. So that's about, so yeah, everything's still the same, nothing much change. I've just been wiring, man. I've just been messing with the wiring. I'm slowly starting to understand it a little bit, but just slowly. I think I'm gonna get on it again today, try to figure out which wire goes here. Where on these spades that they really tie into. So I figured out how this I think it goes in like this. Yeah. And then this one goes up here. And no, oops, sorry about that. And the wires go into, yeah. Put the wires on these and plug them in there. Yeah, I would like to put this in also. Yeah, that's about as far as I got. I'll cover this back up and I think I'll start with the wiring. So I decided to go a different direction again. So I want to get me away from messing with that wire. Really having a lot of trouble with this wire though. Yeah. So I'm going to paint my engine cover stuff. This is from the engine I took to the machine shop before. I had them hot tank it and clean it. They did a really bad job, so I think they was trying to get me to sandblast it or something. So I'm going to paint this one and use it. And this is from the other machine shop. They did a lot better work. And I'll just save this for another engine where I can just, I don't know, put it sand it down or just leave it like that. The last time I rented the machine, the engine was really bad. Had a lot of metal chips in it and stuff. The guy, he ran all the bolts through and everything. Put new freeze, well, I give him the freeze plugs, but the first shop said, oh, they said they don't recommend you changing them out. So I'm going to sand them down. My sander. Over here. I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to use this. Got a lot of different grit sandpapers. And I get to try and use this, I bought this spray paint kit from 3M. It's called a PPS system. Bought it many months ago. Come with different set of tips, because I have 3 different Eastwood guns. And every time I try to use them, it was a complete disaster. That was a waste of money. This one, I don't even have to. Yeah, I think you mix the paint while you're pouring it in. And you just throw these cups away. You don't have to. Yeah. I think I gotta go see how it works again. Yeah, just a measuring cup. I think this slides in here. You put your paint in it. You mix it. Then you just put it on the gun, and you paint. This, I think, is still good. I bought it about 4 years ago when I first decided to work on the car. Only thing is saying that supposed to use this between 7 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it's 57 degrees right now. I don't know what that means. Probably it's going to dry slow or won't dry at all. I don't know. But it's just valve covers. I think it's a little bit warmer outside, so yeah, I can't open the garage door because the wind blows in here. But I'll see. I think I will paint this too. Yeah, it's a high temp ceramic engine paint. I think it's satin black. Oh, it's matte black. Yeah. Still liquefied. So is this. Yeah, so I'll do the wiring some other time. Maybe I can find someone to show me how to do it or help me do it. I'll paint this and I'll start. If it dries, I'll start putting the engine together tomorrow or whenever it dries. Then you're gonna wash this down. I'll spray it down with parts cleaner. And I don't know. But I'm looking forward to using this. Those guys did a good job on this one. Put my cam bearings in. So as far as I got, I couldn't use the sandpaper because that was an impossible mission. So I opted for the thing called again, the grinder with the yeah, with that. I don't know if it's too smooth to be painting it. I think that's supposed to be like, I don't know, maybe 80 grit, maybe 120. But I use the sander on the big portion that I use. That a neat little, where the bolt head go. And in there. But the sandpaper wasn't cutting it. I didn't do the, I just use just a wire brush on the inside because I don't know how much material is taken off because there was aluminum dust everywhere. I didn't do the bottom either. I think that's where the oil pan go. I just use I use something different there. I don't want to touch anywhere where it has to be sealed. But I think if I had to do it again, I'll just get it sandblasted. I mean, it only took about 30 minutes, but I think I used one of my, I'm sure that filter is done with. They wouldn't charge me more than probably $30, no more than 50. That's a $22 filter. Yeah, but it's supposed to get cold again. Today is going to be the only warm day. And I don't want to, I want peanut waters. What is it right now? 54 degrees right now. I think if I get it done and before the sun goes down, I will push it out there and let the sun rays beat upon it. I think I'll wait until I'm done assembling the engine before I paint that, because I don't think I'll have time to do everything. But this is as far as I'm going to go with these ones. Or maybe they can get in there some more. Because that's just a layer of dirt, pretty much. It's just going to come off. This doesn't look like it's cracking. Here we are. Let me see if I can put some paint on it.